ILLUVIUM. Have you heard about ILLUVIUM? Yeah, that crypto game looks pretty cool, man. It's coming out soon. Yeah, let's take a look. Where can we get some ILLUVIUM? Where will it pull back to? Let's jump into the charts. Let's look at some main levels at which we could see where ILLUVIUM is trading. Okay, now we know ILLUVIUM has moved up quite nicely. Okay, holy smokes! But the game hasn't come out yet, and we're getting some hype. Okay, so let's pull some volume across here on ILLUVIUM and let's see some key levels. Where are we looking to DCA? Where can we look for a pullback on ILLUVIUM? Well, we have some good structure here and a massive push to the upside. Now we're going to simply go through and mark out the key levels in red and then the potential levels in gray. So we're going to go through looking at ILLUVIUM, and these are just key levels in which we can set limit orders in order to DCA into some of our favorite projects. Now, go through and check it out. We have a lot of videos on all your favorite coins, and if you would like me to do any other coins, just throw them in the chat. I'll get back to you, and I will do your coin for you. I would be glad to. Okay, so we're going to mark out these key levels, the tops and the bottoms of the volume nodes initially, that where we can look to DCA into these coins. Okay, so now let's go into the nitty gritty. Let's take a look on the 12-hour. And we can see that we do have this beautiful momentum to the upside here. Look at this. Wow. Okay, massive move, lots of bullish news. But where can we look for these pullbacks? Okay, and where do they coincide and line up quite nicely? Okay, and we can see that if you did have these levels from before, bang, bang, we're looking for those pullbacks, right? So we can see pullback, 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 right? So we want to grab these pullbacks in order to ride these moves to the upside, but we also want to get a better average price for our DCA. So I think the main one, just looking at this objectively, your main level that if you do fall from here is going to be around $78. Okay, $78 looks very important because you got support here that held so strongly on this uptrend to the downside. So if you do end up trickling down here, you can be looking for $78. Okay, this is the main one that you're going to look to trade. Also, you can pull a fib probably from the start of this move to the top here, and we're going to get some golden pocket slash zones. So this is going to be your main area and where you're looking to DCA in. Okay, so we're going to go up a little bit here to this $84 all the way down to $73. So within this area, this is going to be your hopefully your main buy zone. Now, we can also see some key levels above us here that we are also seeing a pullback came to here and a pullback came to here. So we add these levels in confluence to add to our thesis of if we do get a pullback on this price action where we can set limit orders in order to buy at cheaper prices. So let's say you go 10 and 10 and then 30% and then the rest of your bag down here at 50, right? And you can get an average price that's somewhere around here if you manage to do this and we get the pullback, right? And by doing that, you can get a better average buy-in price, which will coincide with you getting about 40% more gains and possibly higher to the moon as it pumps from here. So I hope this gets to you well. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Join us in the free Discord. All that stuff is free. We're here giving you constant updates Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Thank you so much for coming through. I appreciate you, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.